Welcome back. Moving to a new place can be an exciting adventure, but it can also be overwhelming if you're not prepared. That's why we've created the ultimate renter moving checklist to help you stay organized and stress-free during this transition. In this video, we'll cover everything you need to know to ensure a smooth move. So, let's get started. The first step is preparing for the move. The key to a successful move is preparation. Before you even start packing, there are a few important tasks you should tackle. Number 1. Notify your landlord or property manager about your move. Number 2. Review your lease agreement and check for any requirements or restrictions. Number 3. Take pictures of your current rental's condition for reference. Number 4. Begin decluttering and organizing your belongings. Next comes planning and logistics. Now that you've laid the groundwork, it's time to dive into the planning and logistical aspects of your move. Number 1. Create a moving budget to track expenses. Number 2. Research and hire a reliable moving company or rent a truck if you're doing it yourself. Number 3. Gather packing supplies such as boxes, tape, markers, and bubble wrap. Number 4. Create a moving schedule or timeline to ensure you stay on track. Here's some packing tips and tricks. Packing efficiently can save you time and make unpacking a breeze. Number 1. Start packing non-essential items early to avoid last-minute stress. Number 2. Label each box with its contents in the room it belongs to. Number 3. Pack fragile items with care and use padding to protect them. Number 4. Keep essential items, like toiletries and a change of clothes, in a separate, open first, box. Next is utilities and address updates. Don't forget to handle essential tasks related to utilities and address updates. Number 1. Contact utility companies to schedule disconnection or transfer of services. Number 2. Update your address with the post office, banks, insurance providers, and other important institutions. Number 3. Forward your mail to your new address to ensure you don't miss any important documents. When moving day has arrived, here are some essential items to keep handy. Number 1. Important documents like your lease agreement, identification, and contact numbers. Number 2. Basic cleaning supplies for your new place, just in case. Number 3. Snacks, water, and a first aid kit for your moving day needs. Number 4. A toolbox with essential tools for any last-minute fixes. Congratulations! You've made it through the ultimate renter moving checklist. By following these steps, you'll be well prepared and ready to tackle your upcoming move. Remember, being organized and proactive will make your transition to a new home much smoother. Thanks for watching, and happy moving. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more valuable content. If you have any questions or suggestions, please leave them in the comments below. Until next time, take care and happy renting.